Why is it so hard to implement healthy boundaries in your work environment? If you consider your workplace to be unhealthy or a toxic environment, that's the reason why. It's like trying to grow a flower in polluted soil. Toxicity stifles growth, making it exhausting and isolating to nurture positive change. Systemic oppression and discriminatory practices create this toxic soil. It makes it even harder for marginalized groups. Women, non binary folks, people of color, disabled folks often face gaslighting and backlash for standing firm in our boundaries. That's why surrounding yourself with a supportive community is vital. They provide the nourishing environment needed for healthy habits to take root and thrive. Your community can offer perspective, guidance, and most importantly, serve as cheerleaders, celebrating your healthy strides in life and leadership. But in the midst of it all, remember to prioritize fellowship, joy, play, rest with your crew. We're not meant to only dismantle systems. Together, we can transform spaces into what we all need to thrive. So let's keep cultivating those supportive spaces, setting boundaries, and watching ourselves bloom. And that's your Wednesday Word of Wisdom with Baby M.